Hey everybody, I'm probably going to get in trouble for this video, but I doubt I'll have Korean ninjas swoop down on me. I might get suspended off of eBay. Or not eBay, but YouTube. But anyway, this is the... Okay, see the highlighted text there? I Google translated that into that. Higher Miracles of the Ringing Sounds Jungsong. I don't know what that means, but this is North Korea. Their YouTube channel, apparently they have a YouTube channel that's talking about how great their country is. I have no video editing skills, don't pretend to, so I'm using my cell phone to watch it, and I don't know what's going on in here, but just watch. Hope you can hear.
평양철도국 서평양 기관차대 경천 화력계대입니다. 지금 이곳 일꾼들과 기관사
Hey, we are here. I can't help but heckle. We're looking at trains today. It's time to look at trains. You will look at trains the best you can. Here's the train schedule. Okay, red book's out. Everyone is dressed like an imperial soldier.
이것이 우리가 새로 도입한 축할 발열 감식입니다. 지난 시기 이 기술을 도입하기 전에
I don't know what that black box is holding, but it has LED numbers on it.
오랜 경험과 손감각으로 축하면서 일어나는 일 상태를
He's not dubbed.
이혼의 발견에서 퇴치할 수 있는 과당 사고도 기회하지 못해서
Okay, we're gonna hit a bearing with a hammer.
그러나 이 세 기술을 도입함으로 해서 과학적인 방법으로
Are they showing how to put oil on joints? How well the trains run? I think it's coal. Look at that awesomely Korean-made gear set and tool set. Will someone please tell me what's going on in this video? Come on, boys and girls. You saw all this stuff growing up in the factory. I cannot help but make fun of these guys. Are they seriously inspecting the train just to see if it will work? Was that a kid in a uniform? I think you guys are a little overdressed. Yes, electric, it's cool. Okay. The 1950s Russian train. Okay. Walking in coal. They have chin bands on, like, brim hats? Sorry, it's shaky, I'm having to hold it. And the knuckle. I don't know what's going on here. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's some hardcore technology. Where do I plug in the Atari controller? Tassels. Train. We make trains work well. And flowers. Poppies! Oh my god, they're poppies. Okay. Alright, y'all. I don't know what that was about. And if I get in trouble for rebroadcasting this video, oh well. Thanks for watching. If someone could shed some light on what they're actually doing, or maybe put in some jabs, comments were disabled for that video. Comment on it here. Comment on me. Comment on it. comment on it here. Thanks. Out of here. Bye.